Thanks for watching. Before we get into the unboxing, I wanted to give you a demo of the tail action of this KF605. So this is left and right, and up and down. Left, right, up, down. So very cool and very functional pusher. Check out the unboxing coming up. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I got another RC airplane unboxing, the KF605. This is a pusher, and I'm very excited for this because I am a huge fan of this XK-A100. This is also a pusher with 3-channel elevator, so very fun, very cool beginner airplane to learn how to fly, and it's very friendly because it doesn't float away like the other 2 channels, because you can control up and down or elevation. But this one is kind of like a new upgraded design of the A100, and we'll get into it right now. So let's open this up. And yeah, we'll look at the box. I'll show you the spec first. So this is a 4-channel. It claims you can do loop 360 loop, and then also a roll 360. It's got the built-in gyro 2.4. Beginner airplane. It is very beginner friendly, at least the XK is. This does take some light assembly, which the XK800 does not, but I don't think that'll be a problem. And here we go. Little panel shows you some information. So basically, the real only thing you have to install are these fins right here, and they just slide and clip in place. So actually, I don't even know if I have the right one, but here you go. Yep, that one there, and then this one here, and basically that's installed. You have some landing gear option if you want to put that. Otherwise, you do have spare propeller, little propeller removal tool, and then the battery charger. Okay. And let's take a look here at the battery we have. I'm not the biggest fan of this battery connector just because it's not as universal as the other RC planes that have this thinner plug. I don't know what they call these connector types, but at least I know the EA 400 millimeters use this style. Same with the Volantex RCs. This one is like my Z51 Predator, so hopefully I can share a battery with this one. But that's the only other thing I see. I do like the pusher design being in the wings rather than behind the wings, so that's like a pretty cool clean design. But here is the special part about this plane, is that you could see these elevator fins act independently, and that's what allows it to do the claimed roll and sharper turns, because this one being a pusher, when you turn, it only goes this way or this way depending on which propeller or which motor spins, and then you get elevator, which allows you to go up and down. Whereas this one, it is a pusher, so turning will be the same, but this does have the ability for the tails to go opposite ways, so that it can actually maneuver tighter, which is really cool. Waiting to get this in action, just unboxed it, so I will hopefully get some running video and show you how this goes. But very cool. You can see very similar same, if not the same wingspan. The A100 is a little bit longer, just by a tad, but I think this will be really fun to fly. But I'll get some running video up soon. Thanks for checking out the unboxing. Here's a shot of the remote. Very basic throttle, up and down, and then you have your turning and you have it elevating. So very cool. I'll have to look into what these buttons are, some trim buttons, and maybe a high rate, low rate. So I'll definitely check that out and let you guys know. Thanks again for watching.